Good morning!
Hi, everybody.
Where are we going?
Disneyland!
It's raining outside though.
I like you.
So I don't know. Wow. I'm here at Disneyland now. Say hi. Hi. Wow, solo is Jared.
One more. 1, 2. Hello po guys. Saya po. Babalik po kami ulit.
Wadi Kap.
Sawadi ka.
Disneyland Sword Station.
Thank you for traveling on the Disneyland Resort Line.
Mga mura sapatos. Kahit video para picture. Priority.
The night market po kami for today's video. Sarado. All the shops are still closed. Ba't na Fairblade daw pa? Hi, Brianna and Papa. This is Brianna. Wawa. Wawa, Papa. Brianna's so heavy. Oh, we're eating here. Oh, it's a food. My Brianna sleeping.
Parang video eh. Guys,
Kasi ano lang sila, isa lang yung plato na nito.
gitna natin.
Wala ka yun eh. Di masarap. Tama? Ito ah? Ito?
Tapos exit J tayo.
Pero sa wala. Saan na ba ang gagawin?
Magulat kayo i-arrange niyo yung
We're going to Team Traffic,
Avenue of Star.
Avenue of Star.
Avenue of the Stars.
Jackie Chan. Ayun. Ayun nga, nag-Starbucks. At dahil nagutom ay nauhaw pala. Ayun naman. Tapos na kami sa Avenue of the Stars. We're on our way for our lunch before we drop them to the airport. Before they go to the airport.
Where are we going, Ate Toya? You don't know. We're going to have a lunch now. We're going back to the hotel because it's very hot. Yesterday, it's raining too much. Oh my God. Oh my God. Today. Yeah. Yesterday, yeah. Disneyland is closed. And also today.
This is for you only. See?
Wala lang.
2018, 2019, 2020, and 21. Meaning they have a good reputation. And they are the people going to eat here. Ito po yung order namin. Ram.
Okay, bili na.
Of course. Hurry up!
Their sale.
So nice.
Yeah.
Huh? You like this?
No.
Yun na lang pink na. Cute.
Look, it's also cute.
Yeah.
Hello, Hong Kong and Toyang. Shopping. It's 1:30. This one I think. Anna, you shopping?
Huh? This lady over here
Yeah.
is wasting the money. She said this her own money.
Really? She's wasting our money? Why? She buying too much?
What did you say? You love Hong Kong because of?
I don't even get this for lunch. Or they have to give me for lunch.
Pula, hold it properly.
So good. Yum.
Bye-bye!
We came to the grocery and we bought stuff.
I got this. It's a box.
Something we don't know.
That's ice cream, right?
Okay, ice cream too. Let's try it.
And we have mochi ice cream. Here.
We're back here, going to Temple Market. We were here yesterday. It just so happened because of the typhoon. What's the name of the typhoon?
Typhoon Talim.
Taling hit Hong Kong, and all the shops are closed, and now it's open. So we're trying to see what's here, what's available here for us to eat
I just
or
have to go
buy.
everyone.
We're buying fried pork and Christine. Shop.
How was it? Fantastic? Nice, fantastic.
Bombastic side eye.
Spicy, not spicy.
Guys, I give it 4 out of 10.
Yeah.
It's not that good.
Temple Street. Okay, we're going. We ordered this chicken here. We tried to order this chips, top number 2. Egg puff pancake.
They're eating the famous waffle.
How was it? Let me try.
It's very good, Yana.
Try it also, Mama.
Oh! Really?